Time news this evening. Panic in Ocherius as cruise ship docks with some passengers displaying flu-like symptoms. Worrying, Jamaicans lack confidence in foreign exchange market.
This is of concern.
And teen drowns in Trelawney.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrew Laidley has our preview.
Yeah, Janella, well, COVID-19 is causing mayhem at the docks, but it's also creating panic around the stocks. Stick around, I'll have the details in the Financial Week.
Okay, thank you. From Andrew, we go to Jordan Fort at the Sports Desk. Jordan, what's coming up in sports?
Well, Herman, I can tell you that COVID-19 is also dominating sports discussions, as the question is, will the Olympics go ahead or not? Well, the JOA boss thinks it's too early to tell. And is there a viral outbreak at Caymanas Park or not? There seems to be differing views on that as well. I'll tell you more in a Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what do you think about the decision to allow a cruise ship to dock in Ocherius while instructing passengers from coronavirus-affected countries to stay on the ship?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.